Something hit Earth in 2023. Not an asteroid, not a solar flare. Something far smaller and far stranger. A single subatomic particle. One particle. Moving through space at nearly the speed of light, carrying energy so extreme that every physicist who looked at the measurement said the same thing. This should not be possible. 100,000 times more powerful than anything the Large Hadron Collider, the most powerful particle accelerator ever built, has ever produced. And this one particle, arriving from deep in the universe, carried that much energy compressed inside something smaller than an atom. It passed through the Earth, through the oceans, through thousands of miles of solid rock, through every single human body on this planet without slowing down at all. Nobody felt it. Nobody knew it happened. It was caught by a single experiment buried deep underwater in the Mediterranean Sea, called KM3NET, which exists specifically to detect particles like this. And when the reading came back and the scientists looked at the number, they could not explain it. No known process in the universe produces that much energy in a single particle. Not a supernova, not a gamma ray burst, not two neutron stars colliding. Nothing in any model of physics built over the last 100 years can account for what arrived at Earth that day. For 2 years, nobody had an answer. Then in early 2026, physicists at the University of Massachusetts found the source. They identified something capable of firing a particle with that much energy across the universe and directly into our planet. A black hole exploded. Not a regular black hole born from a dying star. Something far older and far stranger. A primordial black hole, born at the very first moment of the Big Bang itself, 13.8 billion years ago. These objects have been theorized for decades, but never confirmed. They formed in the first fraction of a second of existence, before the first stars, before galaxies, before anything we recognize as reality had settled into place. And this one had been slowly dying ever since the moment it was born. Black holes evaporate. Stephen Hawking proved it in 1974. As a black hole loses mass, it shrinks. As it shrinks, it gets hotter. As it gets hotter, it radiates faster. The process builds over billions of years until the final moment, an explosive burst of everything the black hole had left, released all at once in one violent flash. The UMass team believes that is exactly what we witnessed. A black hole born at the very beginning of everything finally reached its absolute end. And in its last moment, it released a particle that crossed the entire universe and struck Earth. That particle passed through you. You were alive in 2023. It came through your body. You did not feel it. Nothing stops a neutrino. It passes through planets the way light passes through glass. But the fact that it reached us means something enormous. Primordial black holes are real. Hawking radiation is real. Something born at the Big Bang just died. And we felt the very last thing it ever released. The universe sent us a message from its own beginning. We almost missed it.